Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. In this video, we'll delve into the dangers of potholes, understanding how they form, how to avoid them, and what to do if you encounter one. Get ready to be informed and empowered as we explore the impact of potholes on your car and how to minimize their effects. What exactly happens to your car when you hit those dreaded road craters? When your vehicle slams into a pothole, the force is absorbed by the suspension system, tires, and wheels. This sudden impact can throw off your car's alignment, leading to uneven tire wear and compromised handling. Not to mention the potential damage it can cause to your rims and suspension components. Understanding potholes. Potholes are a common nuisance on roadways, causing frustration for drivers and posing risks to vehicles. Understanding how potholes form and their impact on roads can shed light on the importance of road maintenance. Definition and formation. Potholes develop due to the combination of moisture and fluctuating temperatures. When water seeps into cracks in the road surface, it expands as it freezes during cold weather, weakening the asphalt. Subsequent thawing causes the pavement to contract, leading to cracks and eventually the formation of potholes. The constant pressure from passing vehicles further exacerbates these issues, resulting in larger and deeper potholes over time. Impact on roads. The presence of potholes can significantly impact road infrastructure. Besides causing discomfort to drivers, potholes can damage vehicles by jolting them upon impact. Moreover, potholes compromise road safety by creating uneven surfaces that may lead to accidents. Additionally, neglected potholes can escalate into more extensive road damage, requiring costly repairs and impacting traffic flow. By understanding how potholes form and recognizing their implications on roads, we can appreciate the importance of proactive road maintenance to ensure smooth and safe driving experiences for all road users. Effects of potholes on vehicles. Driving over potholes can have significant consequences on your vehicle, impacting various components that are crucial for its performance and safety. Understanding these effects is essential to grasp the importance of avoiding pothole-ridden roads whenever possible. Suspension system damage. Potholes pose a major threat to a vehicle's suspension system. When a car hits a pothole, the impact can cause the suspension to compress rapidly, leading to strain on the shocks and struts. Over time, this repeated stress can result in damage to the suspension components, affecting the vehicle's stability and overall ride comfort. It is crucial to address any signs of suspension damage promptly to prevent further issues down the road. Tire and wheel damage. One of the most common consequences of encountering potholes is tire and wheel damage. Potholes can cause tire punctures, sidewall bulges, or even blowouts. Additionally, the force of hitting a pothole can misalign the wheels, leading to uneven tire wear and compromised handling. Ensuring your tires are properly inflated and regularly checking for any damage can help mitigate the risks associated with potholes. Alignment issues. Potholes can also result in alignment problems for vehicles. The impact of driving over a pothole can knock the wheels out of alignment, causing the vehicle to pull to one side or the steering wheel to vibrate. Ignoring alignment issues can lead to uneven tire wear, reduced fuel efficiency, and poor vehicle handling. Regular alignment checks and adjustments are necessary to maintain the overall health and performance of your vehicle. Preventive measures. When it comes to dealing with potholes and protecting your vehicle from potential damage, taking preventive measures is key. By adopting safe driving techniques and prioritizing regular vehicle maintenance, you can significantly reduce the risk of pothole-related issues. Safe driving techniques. Maintain a safe following distance. Keep a reasonable distance between your vehicle and the one ahead to allow time to spot and maneuver around potholes. Stay alert. Be vigilant while driving, especially on roads with known pothole problems. Scan the road ahead to anticipate and avoid potholes. Avoid sudden movements. Abrupt braking or swerving can increase the chances of hitting a pothole. Maintain a steady speed and smooth steering to navigate around them safely. Use your brakes wisely. If you can't avoid a pothole, Gently apply the brakes before impact to minimize damage to your vehicle. Drive in the center lane. When driving on multi-lane roads, stick to the center lane where potholes are less likely to form due to less frequent traffic. Regular vehicle maintenance. Check tire pressure regularly. Properly inflated tires provide a cushion against the impact of potholes, reducing the risk of damage. Inspect your suspension. A well-maintained suspension system can better absorb shocks from potholes, protecting your vehicle's undercarriage. Get regular wheel alignments. Misaligned wheels are more susceptible to damage from potholes. Keep your wheels properly aligned to prevent unnecessary wear. Ensure adequate shock absorbers. Healthy shock absorbers can diminish the jolts felt when going over potholes, safeguarding your vehicle's components. Monitor your vehicle's undercarriage. Regularly check for signs of damage or wear under your car caused by potholes, and address any issues promptly to prevent further damage. By incorporating these preventive measures into your driving routine and vehicle maintenance schedule, you can minimize the impact of potholes and protect your car from costly repairs. Stay proactive in your approach to road safety and vehicle care to prolong the lifespan of your vehicle and enhance your driving experience. Dealing with pothole damage. Driving through potholes can wreak havoc on your car, causing damage that may not be immediately apparent. Knowing the signs of pothole-induced damage and understanding your repair options is crucial in maintaining the health of your vehicle. Signs of damage. Uneven tire wear. Potholes can throw off your wheel alignment, leading to uneven tire wear. Keep an eye out for bald spots or unusual tread patterns. Vibrations or shaking. If you feel vibrations or shaking while driving, especially at higher speeds, it could indicate damage to your suspension or steering components. Pulling to one side. A vehicle that pulls to one side may have misaligned wheels, a common issue after hitting potholes. Strange noises. Clunks, thuds, or other unusual noises coming from your car could signal damage to the undercarriage or exhaust system. Visible damage. Check for visible signs of damage, such as dented rims, leaking fluids, or sagging suspension. Repair options. After encountering potholes, it's essential to address any resulting damage promptly to prevent further issues down the road. Here are some repair options to consider. Tire inspection and replacement. Have a professional inspect your tires for damage and replace them if necessary to ensure safe driving. Wheel alignment. If you notice uneven tire wear or your vehicle pulling to one side, getting a wheel alignment can help ensure optimal handling and tire longevity. Suspension repair. Vibrations or shaking may indicate suspension damage, which should be addressed by a qualified mechanic to maintain driving comfort and safety. Undercarriage inspection. Strange noises or visible damage under the car should prompt an inspection to identify and repair any issues before they escalate. Fluid checks. Leaking fluids should be addressed immediately to prevent damage to critical components and ensure your vehicle operates smoothly. By staying vigilant for signs of pothole damage and acting promptly to address any issues, you can keep your vehicle running smoothly and safeguard against potential safety hazards on the road. In wrapping up all that bumpy road talk, we've learned just how crucial it is to take care of your car, especially when faced with those pesky potholes. Remember, a little prevention goes a long way in avoiding hefty repair bills down the road. So, next time you hit a pothole, keep in mind the potential damage it can cause to your vehicle's tires, suspension, and overall alignment. Stay vigilant, drive safe, and give your car the love and attention it deserves to keep it running smoothly for miles to come. Remember the following takeaways. Regularly check your tire pressure and tread depth to ensure optimal performance. Listen for any unusual noises or vibrations that could indicate damage from potholes. Schedule routine maintenance checks to catch any issues early on. Consider investing in quality tires and durable suspension components for added protection. Final thoughts. Your car is more than just a mode of transportation. It's a valuable asset that deserves your care and attention. By staying informed and proactive about pothole damage, you can extend the lifespan of your vehicle and minimize unexpected repair costs. So, the next time you navigate through a rough patch of road, Remember the impact it can have on your car and take the necessary steps to keep it cruising smoothly. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.